Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? In this particular video, we're going to show how to take your X and M32 mixers and turn them into a stage box in 4 easy steps. Now, the first thing I want to show you is up here on the meters. As you can see, input number 1, and then we have the alternate output right here, number 1 as well. If you use this on another mixer, this is going to come in and show you've got signal coming in on channel 33. And that's what these P16s run off of, from 33 to, I think it's 48. Okay, and we're going to look at this right up here. So step number 1 is you're going to come to setup, come to mixer, and you're going to synchronization here. You're going to put this on AES50A. Step number 2, you're going to come up to routing. On your inputs, put them on local. On the AES50 right here, now I have a X32 rack, so I'm only going to need 16 inputs, but this is what we want to switch it over. What we're telling the X32 is it's going to send these inputs out of AES50 1 through 16. Now, if you've got a full-size desk, then you would bring these all the way down. On the card, same way, if you want to record it, I've got the X Live card, you would put everything under local. XLR, nothing changes. Out 1 through 16, you can just run them all down on the mix buses. No delays, aux out, alternate. Now, as you can see right over here, you see where it says headset mic. And that's what it's doing. It's picking up the first 16 inputs. Now, we don't want that. So we're going to turn every single one of these off. And that way, when we go over to our AES50A, we don't see these extra input signals coming in. That way it just alleviates confusion. That's it. That's all you got to do. Now over here on the headset mic, I'm going to bring this down just a little bit and just get it up there. It does take a lot of gain on this. Now we're pretty well done here with the X32. So let's go ahead and jump over to Wing Edit, and we'll see just how simple it is to bring it in from there. So here we go. I'm using my Shure 7B to actually do the video. The first thing we want to do is come up here to our setup, and we can get there here or up here. We're going to come over here to remote, and we're going to enable the AES50 HA remote. We want to turn that on. So now we're going to come down here and just double click channel 2. Instead of local, we're going to bring this in through our AES50A port, and there is our signal. It's just that simple. So we're going to highlight this. As you can see, it's coming in right there. And raise it up a little bit. Headset mic. Give it a color. Give it an icon, and be done with it. Now, by doing this HA control, if we come up here now, as you can see, I've got this control right here. I can raise this signal up. I can pad this signal down. I can actually just pinpoint this now and tweak it and get it just exactly where I need to have it. Okay? That's it. You're done. So with the X32 rack, the producer, the compact, you can bring in the 16 inputs. The full-size desk, you can actually bring in 32. Okay? I hope this has helped. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Take care. God bless. And we are out of here.